Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we again have dictation from Kailash Chandra Shorthand magazine. So let's get straight to the video. Ready, start. Sir, I rise to spot the budget which has been presented by the finance minister for the year 2002 3 full stop. The budget is bold, innovative and pragmatic in introducing many steps for restoring the economy to its proper path. Full stop. We have got to see why this budgetary policy was introduced. Full stop. This house knows what was the economic scenario at the time when the present government came to power in June 1991. Full stop. The economy was going to be bankrupt in the international sphere. Full stop. Our reserves of foreign exchange for the imports were not even for 2 weeks requirements. Full stop. The world was not at all giving any credibility to the Indian economy, and the foreign banks stopped lending money to India. Full stop. The NRIs were withdrawing their deposits because they had lost confidence in the Indian economy. Full stop. That was the position which was being brought about the 18th month rule, and in 11th months the government of the National Front had brought the economy to such a position that the inflation in the country reached its high watermark in July 1997 at 16%. Full stop. The government have to face this impending crisis because if the international banks and institutions stop supplying funds to India, what will be our position, our credibility before the world? Question mark. Faced with this situation, the government took the bold step of devaluation and took certain important immediate measures for restoring the economic strength and vitality of our country. Full stop. The result is that the present position is that the foreign exchange reserves of our country have increased to rupees 12,000 crores. Full stop. We are not to depend upon charity now because we have our own strength of our foreign exchange reserves. Full stop. The inflation is arrested. It cannot be reduced overnight. Full stop. Economic reforms cannot be made by the magic wand of only the finance minister. Full stop. The budgetary policy only can create certain conditions to which economy has to respond, and the response cannot be made like the Aladdin's lamp overnight, and hence we have got to wait for the results of the policy which has been introduced by the finance minister. Full stop. We have to see today what are the objectives that the government had in view for introducing the various measures, some of which are really innovative and beneficial to our economy. Stop.